I'm Chandrasheela Patle, Civil Engineering Intern in Abhyas. Today I'm presenting a webinar on the topic Construction Management and Entrepreneurship. So, firstly, both construction management and entrepreneurship are two distinct but interconnected fields and play a crucial role in the construction industry. Let's discuss each of them separately and explore how they are related to each other. Let's start with the construction management. Construction management involves the planning, coordination, and execution of the construction project. Construction manager oversees various aspects of project, including budgeting, scheduling, resource allocation, risk management, quality control, and communication with stakeholders. Here in this diagram, you can see that what is the top 5 challenges that a construction manager face in the site. In this slide, phase of a construction project management is defined. Before execution of a project, 5 major steps we need to follow. In the first stage, basic planning and designing is done. After completing all the plan, in the second stage, after completing all the plans, design, estimation, and bidding is done. Government has provided so many platforms for bidding like CPP, GEMS, etc. In the third step, resource mobilization is done. After that, in the fourth phase is the execution phase or the ongoing phase of the construction. So, and the fifth phase is the finishing phase. Project will end in this phase. So, second one is the entrepreneurship in the construction. Entrepreneurship in construction refers to the process of identifying and exploiting business opportunities within the construction industries. Key responsibility of a construction management. First one is the project planning and the scheduling. Developing a detailed plan of a project, setting milestone and creating a schedule to ensure timely completion. Second one is the cost estimation and the budgeting. Determining the project cost, preparing the budget and monitoring expenses throughout the construction process. Third one is the procurement and contracting, managing the section and negotiating of contract with subcontractors, suppliers, and vendor. Fourth one is the resource management, is same as the resource allocation and managing resources such as labor, equipments, and materials effectively. And the fifth one is the quality control, implanting quality standards, conducting inspection, and ensuring compliances with regulation and specification. Sixth one is the risk assessment and management. After identifying the potential risks and developing strategies to mitigate them. And the last one is the communication and collaboration, facilitating effective communication among the project stakeholders and managing conflict or issues that arises during the construction. In the same way, we can also share the key responsibility of entrepreneurship activities in construction. First one is the identifying the market gaps, analyzing the industries to identify underserved or emerging market segments and developing business ideas to address those gaps. Second one is the business planning, formulating a comprehensive business plan that outlines the company vision, target market, competition, competitive advantage, marketing strategies, financial projection, and growth plans. Third one is the financing and the investment, seeking funding option, securing investment or accessing loans to support business operation and expansion. Fourth one is the innovation and technology adoption, leveraging new technologies, construction method or materials to differentiate the business and enhance the productivity or sustainability. Fifth one is the marketing and the business development, implementing marketing strategies to promote the company service, build relationship with client, and secure a new contract. Last one is the risk taking and decision making, assessing risk associated with new ventures and making strategic decision to capitalize on opportunity while managing potential challenges. In the end, I will discuss you about the construction management and entrepreneurship. How can the both are interrelated? Uh, Actually, it lies in the fact that the construction managers can also be an entrepreneur by starting their own construction management firm. In such cases, they combine their expertise in construction management with their entrepreneur skills to establish and grow their businesses. At the end, both construction management and entrepreneur contribute to the growth and success of the construction industry, with construction managers playing a crucial role in the day-to-day operation of project and entrepreneurs driving innovation and business development within the sector. So, in this slide, I will explain you about the application of project or construction management through the Primavera software. Before creating a project or before starting any construction project in Primavera software, first there are few terminologies there that we should know before starting or creating a project. So first one is the organization breakdown structure. It's also called in OBS. OBS is the hierarchical way to represent the managers responsible for the project in your enterprise. You can associate the responsible manager with the enterprise project structure areas with either an EPS node or a project. Second one is the enterprise project structure. Represent the hierarchical structure of an organization. The EPS can be subdivided into as many levels or nodes as needed to represent workers at your organization. Now, I will let you know what is the Primavera software. Primavera, Primavera is a powerful project management software which is widely used in construction industries. It allows project managers to plan, schedule, and control large scale project very carefully. P6 is known for its ability to handle complex projects with multiple activities and stakeholders, making it a popular choice for the organization managing large scale projects. Next one is the project. Project is a set of activities and their associated information which constitute a planner for creating a product and services. Next one is the calendar. In Primavera, we also define we assign the calendars to our project. So basically, there are three types of calendar available in Primavera software. First one is global calendar, second is project calendar, and third one is the resource calendar. The global project and resource calendar are used used on the basis of their needs. Like in the construction project, we use project calendar, generally use project calendar. Next one is the work breakdown structure. It's an important part in the Primavera software. After making the OBS and EBS and defining the calendar, we make the WBS. WBS is a major breakdown of a project into different parts. It's called the WBS. Uh, Next one is the activity. Activity is the smallest part of a project. It represents work to be done in order to complete a project. After making the activity, we define the relationship between the activities. So the relationship between two activities is known as a relationship. Generally, there are four types of relationship. First one is finish to start. Second one is start to start. Third is finish to finish. And fourth one is start to finish. So in finish to start relationship, start of a successor activity depends on the completion of its predecessor activity. We can start two activities with a leg or without a leg by mentioning how much leg you want. After making all the activities WBS and EPS and WBS, we schedule our project. So for scheduling, we can manually schedule also, or by pressing the functional key F9, we can schedule. After scheduling, we can also analyze the critical path or activity. Now, I will let you know what is the critical path in the Primavera software. So, critical path is a technique where you identify the tasks that are necessary for project completion and determining scheduling flexibility. A critical path in a project management is the longest sequence of activity that must be finished on time in order for the project to be completed. Thank you for all for attending your our webinar today. I hope you found the session informative and insightful.